Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about baby loan, a baby ticker. If you participated in the airdrop campaign, you can go and claim your free tokens, like rewards. So we're gonna check the intuition accumulation pump model for this token after listing on the BitGet. So with my customer request, let's dive in. Let's start with the basic data. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the vesting schedule for this token, check the fundraising rounds. There is no data, the prices in Zone 23, in Zone 23 December, Zone 24, so we can't know at what price this funds and the bakers get their tokens, but we know the vesting schedule, right? The big problem, like with any other tokens which listed with airdrop system, it's market capitalization and FDV after launch. So we got only 23% tokens in circulation supply, market capitalization 226 million, FDV almost 1 billion. So it's kind of huge differences, but anyway, we have to work with current data, and work with the vesting schedule, because now we got till end of basically till next April, Zone 26, we get a cliff period, 1 year. And after that, a liner unlock 3 years, liner unlock 2 years, 2 years, liner unlock 3 years for the team, So just be ready, just track this one. And I also and always confuse what is untracked. What is untracked? 15% of supply unlocks. It's kind of weird. Anyway, you have to go and double check the data about unlocks and the time period. So I use the BitGet because the BitGet you get a lowest point of listing for this token. It's 0.202. You can analyze also on a Binance, pretty low one, but we get this one on a BitGet, and we can work with the data for this exchange. So you can work with any other exchanges. First of all, this is a first zone of interest. This is a second one. It's not necessary, guys, so the token will drop to that zones. But keep in mind, it's more than possible, because I guess 99% tokens which listed in the last 3 years dumped to the okay zone to buy, to the best zone to buy, and some of them even invalidate the idea, dump it under listing prices. So keep in mind, guys, this is a zone of accumulation. This is going to be the zone of fixation profit, this one. So just in case, guys, you have to be ready for the swing trades. If we will see something like this one, this is a zone of fixation profit, guys. It's not necessary, I repeat, so we will drop to these blocks. Now we can go for example like Celestia model, we can go like this one, go higher, and all after the half year, or then in the next year we can land it back to the 3 cents or to 1 cent. Just in case, guys, it's possible, so never say never. This is a zone of interest, okay zone to buy. This is the best zone to buy. This is a zone of fixation profit. So let's mark the colors, so we can work with that colors in the future. Got it. I believe this token will hit the new all-time high again, because I don't think so. The listing price like 14 cents or 16 cents. It's the top of the top for this token. No. Now let's check with my customer request what the whales do now with the local targets, with the local zones. ADZ direction market mode. Definitely, guys, after listing, we all the time see the like euphoria on the market, some happiness, everybody so excited about the listing, but at the same time, the whales start distribute their bags. So don't be trapped with this one. If some token not drop to your zone of interest, just skip it. So this is a distribution on ADZ indicator. This is a top on direction indicator on 1 hour time frame, and this is the euphoria market mode indicator. So guys, I'm not recommend you to buy this token now. Of course you can easily, but zone of interest I showed you. If this token not drop to zone of interest, I just skip this one. For me, 9 cents or 10 cents for baby token, it's not a good deal, right? Of course, we can go higher to 20 cents and higher, but guys, I work with own plan and own risk management. Trade on indicator, guys, so we can check. Here was a buy signal. Of course, you can't trade only with indicators, but 27%, it was like a good confirmation for these trades. Money power, guys, take a look. This is a money outflow even on 1 hour time frame. So now the whales fix some profit. Whales, some big guys who get a big allocation in airdrop and all of this stuff, guys. 1 hour time frame, take profit. 1 hour time frame, no data. 30 minutes time frame, no data. 15-minute time frame here. We can test 11.038 and reject and drop it lower. Buy line for this token, it's 5 cents 55. This one from the melt wallet of this token, it's around the first zone of interest, it's 4 cents 15. If we check on 5 minutes time frame, you will find out, so almost the same data, right? So highly recommend you guys, no rush with any token after listing. Of course, we can see something like this one. For example, BTC will go higher. Yes, we can see something like this one. Easily. So just in case, guys, my thoughts about this project, I explained it, right? So highly recommend you go and check how to work with indentation accumulation pump model totally for free. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.